Hey everyone, welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Jackson.
And I'm Lena. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very important: how to start conversations in English.
Yes, many learners say, I know words, but I don't know how to start.
Don't worry, today we'll practice friendly openers.
Short, easy, and very natural.
Before we start, quick reminder: please like, follow, and share this podcast.
It helps us a lot, and it helps more learners too. Thank you.
Okay, let's begin. Listen first, discuss, then listen again.
The easiest way to start is very simple. Hi, I'm Lena.
Yes, or hello, I'm Jackson.
You can also say, Hi, my name is...
Let's listen to a short talk. Hi, I'm Jackson. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Jackson. I'm Lena. Nice to meet you too.
We said, nice to meet you.
Very friendly. Very polite.
Now repeat with us.
Hi, I'm Lena.
Nice to meet you.
Great job. That's a perfect start already.
After hi, we often say, how are you?
It shows you care. It sounds friendly.
Let's listen.
Hi, Jackson. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. Easy, right?
Now you try. How are you?
Great answer. Any simple answer is good.
You're doing really well. Keep going.
Another good opener is, What are you doing?
We answer with I'm plus verb plus ing.
For example, I'm working. I'm eating. I'm studying.
Let's listen. Hey, Lena, what are you doing?
I'm having lunch. What about you?
I'm working now.
Very real, very daily English.
Repeat after us.
I'm studying English.
I'm drinking tea.
Nice. You sound very natural.
We can also start with a place question. Where are you going?
Answer, I'm going to plus place.
I'm going to work.
I'm going home.
I'm going to the shop.
Let's listen. Hi, Jackson. Where are you going?
I'm going to the market. How about you?
I'm going home. I'm going to school.
Simple and friendly, right?
Now your turn. I'm going to school.
Perfect. You're improving already. Weather is a great conversation starter.
You can say, It's hot today. It's cold today.
Then ask, do you like this weather?
Let's listen.
It's very hot today.
Yes, it is. Do you like hot weather?
Yes, I do, but I like cool weather more.
Weather talk is easy and safe.
Repeat with us.
It's hot today.
Do you like this weather?
Great job. Very friendly English.
Now, let's hear a full conversation. Hi, I'm Jackson. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Jackson. I'm Lena. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. What are you doing?
I'm going to the shop. Where are you going?
I'm going home. It's very hot today.
Yes, it is. See you later.
Did you hear many openers?
Hi. How are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? Weather talk.
Hi, how are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? Weather talk.
You don't need perfect English. Just start. Let's recap today's friendly openers.
Hi, I'm... How are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? It's hot today, right?
These small sentences can start big conversations.
Jackson, and you practiced today. That's amazing.
We are proud of you. Really. Good job.
Now our community question for you. What do you usually say first when you meet someone? Hi? Hello? How are you?
Tell us in the comments. We want to practice with you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep speaking, keep smiling, and don't be afraid to start.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
It helps us a lot, and it helps other learners too. Thank you.